What's up guys, today I am going to show on 5 best Xiaomi 3D design light breathing mask from Aliexpress in 2020. This is a new awesome gadgets best deals Bangood amazing gadgets shopping online. All cool technology overview on Ali. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell and like comment my video. Let's go. Number 5 is Chemical Mask 6807 in 1 6001 Gas Mask Acid Dust Respirator Paint Pesticide Spray Silicone Filter Laboratory Cartridge Welding. Features of this product: brand name, Caracola, soft, silicone face seal for greater comfort and durability, wide field of vision, polycarbonate, high impact visor, simple and easy to use, well balanced, 4-strap head suspension which is easy to put on and take off, unique center adapter to direct exhaled breath and moisture downward, helps reduce debris from depositing in the valve, and allows for quick and easy cleaning, so this is the best option for you to buy. Number 4 is, for Xiaomi Magia Woobi F95 Dustproof Anti-Fog and Breathable Face Masks 95% Filtration F95 Masks. Features of this product: food grade silica gel, PP Restra filter material, adjustable band design, F95 filtering, standard one-way valve design, breathing separation, 4 layers of protection, comfortable to wear, so this is the best option for you to buy. Number 3 is Xiaomi Magia Purely KN95 Anti-Pollution Air Face Mask with PM2.5550 mAh batteries, rechargeable filter from Xiaomi Magia Yupin. Features of this product: Xiaomi Purely Mask Nanofiber Electret Filtering Technology. The air filter is apparently able to achieve PM2.5 filtration efficiency of up to 99%. 3 adjustable modes. The mask has a thin fan with 3 speeds, and you can adjust the fan speed by a button, which is designed for meeting different demands on various conditions and relieving the suffocating feelings. Food grade PC material, quiet and ultra thin fan. The mask is safe and comfortable to wear. 3-dimensional structure, compact appearance, and lightweight design, a perfect gift for outdoor sports, so this is the best option for you to buy. Number 2 is Xiaomi Hutim Electric Anti-Haze PM2.5 Sterilizing Anion Mask, provides active air supply electric face mask from Xiaomi Yupin. Features of this product: ripple screen, clean your breath from outside to inside. The efficiency of air purification is 98.9%. 3 levels of air volume, active air supply design, smooth and more comfortable breathing, easy to adapt to daily breathing needs. 3D face design, higher fit, more comfortable to wear. PP safety material, can be used by pregnant women and children. 7-hour strong endurance, no worry about a day tour in Haze, so this is the best option for you to buy. Number 1 is Xiaomi Smart Me PM2.5 Haze Mask Purely Anti-Haze Face Mask, adjustable ear hanging fashion 3D design light breathing mask. Features of this product: brand name, Xiaomi, 1PCS Xiaomi Smart My Anti-Pollution Air Sport Mask, comes from Xiaomi Eco Chain, skin-friendly soft memory TPU, free to breath, isolated from air dust, PM2.5, haze, pollen grain, automobile exhaust with a ventilating value. The mask is safe and comfortable to wear, compact appearance, and lightweight design, a perfect gift for outdoor sports, so this is the best option for you to buy.
Thank for watching this video. If you do not see my last videos, you should see this. Please like, comment, share my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.